This is Agentic AI based chatbot that is integrated with Microsoft Azure Kubernetes service. This chatbot uses AI agents and governed tools to monitor the cluster, analyze Prometheus logs and metrics, and quickly identify issues. The key idea here is not to replace human but to augment operations. AI handles detection and analysis while humans stay in control for critical decisions. For this demo, I will show two scenarios. First, problematic pod issue, and second, a latency problem affecting the application. First, I ask the agent about the AKS cluster node setup. Then agent immediately shows me how many nodes are running, the type of the cluster, and the CPU utilization across the nodes, giving me quick, clear overview of the cluster health. In the first scenario, I asked the agent to list the pods in the e-commerce namespace that I have set up. Using its connected tools, the agent analyzes the pod status and detects two problematic pods which are clearly highlighted as having issues. Using the chatbot, I asked the agent to identify the problematic pods. The agent responds by listing the affected pods. I then use the chatbot to ask the agent for more details about the issues. The agent retrieves the relevant pod logs through its connected tools and identify the root cause. After going through the logs and the agent's analysis in the chatbot, I decided to delete the affected pods. After taking the action, I verify it and the pods are now deleted. Currently, there are no issues with any pod. In the second scenario, I use the chatbot to check for latency issues. The agent analyzes the e-commerce application and shows that there is latency on the pods. This information is retrieved by the agent through its connection to the Prometheus tool, which provides the relevant metrics and results. So, after I have deleted the pods, I am now checking again the latency on the application. There is currently no latency issue reported for the application after I deleted the pods.